This is an update to the emergency action notification. We can now confirm the trajectories of the missiles. They are New York City, New York, Chicago, Illinois, Washington, D.C., Los Angeles, California, Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Atlanta, Georgia, Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Louis, Missouri, Portland, Oregon, Nashville, Tennessee, Las Vegas, Nevada, Denver, Colorado, Charlotte, North Carolina, Boston, Massachusetts, San Jose, California, New Orleans, Louisiana, Salt Lake City, Utah, and Honolulu, Hawaii. If you are in, or within a 500-mile radius of these cities, seek a fallout shelter now. Failure to do so will result in certain death. NATO is currently in discussion with its members to see what actions can be taken on China and Russia. At least 6 countries are preparing for counter-strikes. The president will speak on all televisions and radios after the strikes have hit their targets. Stay tuned for more information.